Xabi Alonso have now made it clear to Rodrigo, Ibrahim Diaz and Daniel Ceballos that he does not have them in their plan for next season and they are not going to be having playing time. That it's better for them to leave the club and find a club for their safe instead of them staying at Madrid and not having playing time at all. I think this is a wrong decision. Yes, I know that before Ibrahim Diaz does not normally used to start before. Normal that one is okay, but he normally used to come from the bench. And some games you start when Madrid are having big games and we need to rest some of our players. Ibrahim Diaz normally used to come and he will start. But the two mistakes he's going to make is this Rodrigo. Normal. Rodrigo is our starter. Normal. He has been at the club for the past 4-5 years. He has been at the club, so you just allow him to go because you want to sign new players now. I think is the wrong option. At least still keep him and be starting Rodrigo and be bringing this guy second half, that Franco, and be bringing him second half. And also Daniel Ceballos. Now we're looking for this holding midfielder. Now we have not seen holding midfielder yet, and we're about to start a new season and without Bellingham. So I think the best we should just keep Daniel Ceballos, because if you look at Daniel Ceballos, he's very good in controlling the tempo of the game. He's very good here. So that is why I said we should keep Daniel Ceballos. Yes, we should just keep him. Instead of us allowing let him go for 15-20 euros on 20 million euros, we should keep him because he's actually very, very good. He knows how to control the tempo of the game. He holds the midfield very well. He controls it very well. It's just like what is disturbing him the most is that he's an injury player. You cannot just depend on him. That is just the thing. But left for me, I think Madrid should just keep him. And also, they should just keep Rodrigo. That's what I think. You allow him to go now, he's not going to be the best option. You should keep Rodrigo because this guy has stayed here. He has been second option since he has been there. He just last 2 seasons started playing for Real Madrid. I mean last season safe. Just last season started playing for Real Madrid as the first team. Since before Valverde was benching him, Asensio was benching him. He did not talk anything. He still agreed and he was still playing for Real Madrid. Okay, it's now that he has finally has his full season as a main team player. We now want to sell him now. It does not make sense. So I think Madrid we should do well and let him be at the club because Real Madrid, Madrid really need Rodrigo in our project to work very well for us. We really need him. If you look at this, bro, he's playing out of his position. He's not playing in the right position. So you cannot be blaming him that okay he's not scoring goals or giving assists when he's playing out of position. So what do you guys think? Don't forget in the comment section, like this video, share, and follow me for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Peace out.